Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1970 Triumph TR6 Damask with new tan interior, 4-speed, disc wheels with those beautiful Michelins fitted, chrome luggage rack, black top, really lovely restored car. Full cosmetic restoration on this car, probably about, I don't know, probably 6 or 8 years ago. Just a slightly older restoration, but still looking really lovely. But really desirable 1970 early TR6. Let's get that door shut. There we go. So like I was saying, yeah, nice, slightly older cosmetic restoration in fantastic colors. Let's take a little bit of a walk around here, show you what we've got going on with this car. Really good bodywork. Nice glossy fresh paint work, really liquid wet glossy look to it. Few small little imperfections when you come up very close to the paint, but you know, from 2-3 feet it looks gorgeous, but you know, like super close up you can see a little bit of dusties and maybe a little tiny bit of fisheye on the car, but you know, really nice, attractive restoration on the car. Excellent front chrome bumper, beautiful set of restored wheels with the polished stainless rims, beauty rims, and also a gorgeous set of Redline tires. Really good gaps on this car, really no body issues whatsoever, just super good fitting panels all the way around. Nice original chrome rear bumper. It's fitted with this early style tubular chrome luggage rack, which is real attractive. Correct decals there on the fenders. Really lovely, high-end, nicely restored driver here. So we're going to be doing a driving video of this car a little bit later in the week. We're just trying to get all of our booth work done. Brand new tinted windshield, brand new rubber here. Interior of this car is gorgeous. Absolutely brand new interior all the way around. So new door panels, all brand new dashboard, new crash pads, new solid teak dash, OEM correct fixed headrest seat kits here. Gorgeous color in this new tan. Matching new tan quality carpets, new center console, new door seals, brand new black soft top. So really crisp, basically as new interior fitted. The trunk on the car, very nicely done. Everything's been painted in here and correctly upholstered with the carpeted trunk floor mat and the finishing kit that goes all the way around. Lenses look great, chrome looks great. Original steering wheel, that's in really good condition. Speedo reads 31,049 miles. That definitely could be original to this car because it's in such great shape, but we don't have any physical documentation of that mileage. But very well could be the original mileage before it was fully cosmetically restored here. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. Oh, I need to just pop that. So here's the engine bay on our 1970 TR6. You can see it's all been fully restored beautifully. Completely detailed engine bay with a fully detailed engine. Everything was beautifully painted in here. So you can see very nice clean engine compartment. It's fitted with its original 2.5 liter with twin Stromberg's 175 CDSE carbs. It's got the correct early air cleaner fitted, but really nicely done engine compartment. We're going to give this car a full look over and a full test drive shortly, so stay tuned to check back in with us for that driving video. That's the car's VIN plate. So you can see the build date was March of 1970, and color paint code 17, trim 33, which I believe is Damson new tan, which is what it's currently finished in. Yeah, but there it is, really gorgeous 1970 Triumph Tr6 convertible, desirable early car, damask with new tan interior, black top, chrome luggage rack, 4-speed, disc wheels, Michelin red lines, very, very nice total cosmetic restoration on a believed low mileage car, fresh to the market. It's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.